Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy an option on Webull. First, ensure your Webull account is approved for options trading, as this is a crucial prerequisite for participation. Options contracts offer the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a specific price by a certain date. It's vital to grasp the potential for both substantial gains and losses before you proceed with any trades, as they carry significant risk. Once your account is ready, search for the stock you wish to trade options on within the Webull app. On the stock's detail page, you will find an Options tab. Tap this to access the options chain. Here, you can select an expiration date and then decide whether you want to view call options, which bet on price increases, or put options, which bet on price decreases. After selecting your expiration date, you'll see various strike prices. Choose the strike price that aligns with your trading strategy. Next, select the specific contract you wish to trade. You will then specify your order type, like a limit order, and the number of contracts you want to buy. Always review all the order details carefully before confirming your trade. Once your option trade is live, it's crucial to monitor its performance regularly within your Webull portfolio. You can close your position at any time before expiration by placing an opposing order, for example, selling a call option you previously bought. Remember to check the description below for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other valuable deals. Understanding options takes practice, so start small and continue learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.